Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Naseema. I'm an architect and interior designer, and in today's video I am going to discuss this architectural layout plan with you all. We did interior of this project, and in this video we will be discussing how we designed the space, what furniture layout plan we created. So let's start. Also, before starting the video, I want to tell you we review architectural floor plan for free on our channel. So if you have any floor plan that you want us to review, you can DM us. The link is in the description. Now let's discuss the project. Now this was the architectural layout plan that I got from the client. Now in this, what are we having? This is actually one unit and this is another unit. The client's requirement was to merge these two spaces. They wanted to convert it into one unit, and they wanted to have 4 bedrooms, one very good size bedroom with a lounge area. Washroom has to be decent with a bathtub requirement and a lot of storage. Also a very good size kitchen. Now let's discuss how we designed the space. See, they wanted to have one very good size bedroom. So what we saw, every room here they were having their balconies. And in this space, the balcony was this side. This room was not having any balcony. So I decided to merge this area and convert into one unit and let bedroom of these spaces as it is, because they were having balconies. Now in this layout, what are you seeing? You have your main entry from these two sides, because it was 2 different units. What we did, we broke this wall, created a wall over here, shifted this door at the center to have a very impactful entry. We made this door 5 feet. You can take it up to 6 feet if you want to have a double leaf door, or you can have even more. So this was my entry. Now this is my drawing dining hall. I removed this kitchen. This is my hall now. Now this is my master bedroom area. What we did, we removed this wall, I created a bedroom over here with a lounge sitting here. This is my bed area. This area could be one very good dressing room. So what we did, we took 5 feet 6 inches from this, and this is my washroom, because they needed a bathtub. So we needed very spacious washroom area. Now another thing, they wanted to have a puja room. So we extended this wall, created a puja unit over here, and this washroom was extended up to this level, and this was the storeroom, because they needed one storeroom. And this washroom was also not suitable. We cannot create washroom over here as per vastu. So we created a storeroom, and this was one wash basin area, and we created one room over here. So this area was actually a storage plus wash basin. So this was one small room. In this bedroom, we kept it as it is, but we actually created a wall over here and created a door like this. So this was the washroom for this room. Now let's discuss the kitchen area. See, this kitchen was already gone, and we cannot place our kitchen right at the entry. Whenever I design, I try to keep my kitchen away, because kitchen is the busiest area of the house. So it should be secluded or in a place where the formal sitting is not, if it is possible. So here it was possible for us, and also the size was quite smaller, because I could see the space like this demands a bigger size kitchen. So what I did, I created this as my kitchen area with the utility balcony at the back. So we removed this wall, and this was my utility balcony. Now this room was another room. The bed was here. I removed this wall, created a dressing here, and this was the washroom. So this was the major change that we did architecturally. Now let's discuss the furniture layout plan. Now this is the furniture layout plan that we created. We have a main entry over here. This is a very grand entry, you can see. This is the puja, my very big drawing dining hall. This is the common washroom, and this is one master bedroom with a lounge area. So this is the bed, and this is the sofa. TV is over here. This is the dressing room. The wardrobes are like this, and this, because this was existing washroom, and this is the bigger size washroom with bathtub like this. Now this room was as it is, only the passage was added because we created a puja over here. This is my storeroom, because earlier they were having a washroom. Although it's very good for an area like this, if every room is having washroom, it's wonderful. But in this case, because as per vastu, this room cannot be used as washroom, but this was a bedroom, so we created a storeroom over here. And for this bedroom, the washroom was common. Now this was the wash basin area. The crockery we created like this, because we were having a space over here, so we utilized the space. Now this was one small bedroom. See, the client actually wanted 3 bedrooms, one for the son, other for the daughter, and this was the mother's room. And she was not here most of the time. She used to visit occasionally. And they wanted 2 guest rooms. So this was 1 bedroom with study, and this was another bedroom. The balconies were over here. This was the daughter's bedroom, like I told you, and this was the dressing, and the toilet was over here, and the balcony for the daughter's bedroom was like this. Later on, we removed this wardrobe and created 1 sliding door over here so that maximum light seep in, and also we created 1 window like this, as you can see over here. Another change what happened here on site was this wardrobe was extended like this because the client wanted to have a lot of wardrobes, so she created a wardrobe, extended the wardrobe like this, and here they were having a door. And similar thing was happening here, which I actually don't support. So you have a lot of storage in the house, and the more you create storage, the more there is a possibility to dump things. You should always find space to organize. Storage is very important, but compromising with the natural light and create a wardrobe there thinking AC will solve the problem, it's not a right thing for a space. Also, one more point I want to add. See, we were having a door here in the beginning. So I could have done my main entry from here and created a console like this. So this could have been 1 wonderful foyer area, and then you go to your drawing dining area. But having an impact of double leaf door with a window at side instantly elevate the look. This is what I feel. So I created an entry like this. Let me know in the comment section what you prefer. You prefer to have a foyer area like this or a grand entry like this. So once you enter, you get to see a proper drawing dining area. And once you enter through here, because we cannot create any focal wall, I created 1 bar over here. So this was supposed to be 1 feature wall. So once you enter, you get to see this focal wall, and this was the seating area. This was actually terrace garden plus bar. The furniture of this space was placed like this. This was my sofa area, and this was the dining table. My kitchen was here. This is the platform for the kitchen. This is the utility balcony. Here another vegetable sink, and this was the space for the refrigerator, and this is the platform area. So this was my kitchen. So this is how we designed the space. Let me know in the comment section how you found the layout. Also, like I've told you, we review architectural floor plan for free on our channel. So if you have any floor plan that you want us to review, you can DM us. The link is in the description. We keep sharing these kind of practical videos on our channel, so consider subscribing. Also give it a like if you like the video, and if you have something that you want to share, comment below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and you will see my next video soon. Bye.